Please get a grip. C. For what? What for success? For quenching hunger. Clear not?
Yes.
For interesting session. For earning money.
For approaching destination.
Very good. For approaching destination. For achieving the target. What is clear? So it's you. For example, you can say for success. For success. Over here, what can be done? This is the question. Sham,
Hard work can be done
for what?
for success.
It should vary, no? Mention it as well, no? For success. For success. The hard work can be done. The smart work can be done, no? The books can be consulted or read, no? Regularly. What is clear, Lord? J.
For competition.
Very good.
Competition books can be consulted.
Very good. For the competition, the books can be consulted. Very good. Very good. J.
For maintaining accounts.
Very good. For maintaining accounts.
Accounts can be checked properly.
Very good. The accounts can be checked properly. J.
For observation, concentration on the present. Yeah. For the observation,
For observation,
the concentration
can be observed, can be maintained. Clear? Concentration can be observed, can be maintained, can be ensured. Clear? J.
For need, doctors can be consulted.
Very good. No, during the sickness, for recovery, for treatment. Clear?
Yes, sir.
For the treatment, what the doctors can be consulted. Doctors who consult किए जा सकते हैं. जी.
For improving the general knowledge.
Very good. For improving the general knowledge, what can be done? No, for improving the general knowledge. General knowledge improve करने के लिए. What can be done? क्या किया जा सकता है?
Read book. The books
The books can be read.
can be.
No, the informative talk shows can be watched. As now that you have so many talk shows are going on or different shows are going on. No. जी.
For learn something new, mind can be positive or thinking can be.
No, for learning, know something new. What can be done?
Mind can be positive or clear.
No, the mind can be clear. No, clear. No. See again, for learning you can say again. No, repeat your
Mind can be clear.
No, for what?
For learn something new.
For learning something new, what can be done? For learning something new,
Mind can be used.
mind can be used.
Internet can be.
The internet can be solved. नई चीज सीखने के लिए क्या किया जा सकता है? The internet can be solved. Internet सर्च किया जा सकता है. जी.
Mind can be cleared.
The mind can नहीं किया जा सकता है. The books can be read. जी.
A new idea can be observed.
Observed. जी.
Can be read.
What? The books can be read.
New method can be used.
Used. Correct. जी.
New technology can be used.
Very good. The new technology can be used. Correct. जी.
Devotion can be required.
Correct. Can be required. No. Can be maintained. Can be developed. Can be created. जी.
Teachers can be consulted.
Beautiful. The teachers can be consulted. The library can be consulted. No. The natural phenomenon can be observed. No. Now the visitation can be ensured. Different places can be visited. No, and so on. See, I'm moving forward now. आप शुक्र है. पीछे जाएगा. There is a serial number 9. Serial number 9, please. Module number 3, serial number 9. What's that? Say. When you are hungry, please try to understand the situation. When you are hungry, in order to quench your hunger, what have you to do? आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? Question clear not? भूख मिटाने के लिए for quenching your hunger, what have you to do?
I have to eat something.
In order to understand English, what have you to do? In order to get rid of dirt from your body. जिस्म से dirt हटाने के लिए what have you to do? In order to please Allah Almighty,
I have to offer.
what have you to do? Points clear? See, so mention it. I have to, this is what, this is whom, this is where, this is when, this is how, and this is what. Take any one, no, you can say, a piece of information from here and complete the sentence. Mr. Shah. I have to eat food. I have to eat food. क्या मतलब है? I have to eat food.
खाना खाना है.
I have to eat food.
Frequency.
I have to eat food. What's that?
मुझे खाना
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 है.
है.
वो तो I am to
मैंने
eat
खाना
food.
खाया।
नहीं सर मुझे खाना खाना है.
वो है I am to eat food.
मुझे खाना
ये तो कर के बात था. I am to go. मुझे जानना है.
वो मुझे खाना खाना पसंद है.
Beautiful. I have to eat. मुझे खाना पड़ता है. I have to run. मुझे दौड़ना पड़ता है जी. I have to speak.
सर इसमें मेरा जरूरी है ये काम.
Leave it. No, this is बना दो सर. जरूरी है, जरूरी नहीं. I have to sit. I have to run. I have to sleep. I have to observe fast.
I have to leave.
See, what have you to do and for what? Please, complete sentence.
I have to effort.
I have to make
I
effort.
have to make effort to prove myself.
I have to make efforts to prove myself. अपने आप को prove करने के लिए मुझे कोशिश करनी पड़ती है जी.
I have to be regular.
I have to be regular. Very good.
Pretend.
Is a B is a V1. Be regular. Be honest. Be happy. Be punctual. Be sad. Clear? Be helpful. Be assistant. Point clear नहीं? Be worried. No. जी.
I have to be surf internet.
I have to surf the internet. मुझे internet surf करना पड़ता है.
Searching something.
For searching, to search something. Very good. जी.
I have to travel to reach my destination.
Very good, beta. Beautiful sentence. I have to travel. I have to travel. मुझे सफर करना पड़ता है जी. To reach my destination. अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए. I have to travel. I have to buy tickets. I have to board the bus, the vehicle. Clear? I have to face the difficulties of